What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy JD, and today we got some heat. I'm gonna be reviewing the Pharrell Human Race NMD Holi pack in this blank canvas colorway. Now before I begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, drop a comment, drop a like, let me know you support the channel. I appreciate it. Now for me, this pack was probably the most anticipated sneaker of 2018. Now I have an Indian background myself, so to see Hindi on a sneaker was completely unexpected and super cool, and it just so happened to be on probably the most hyped sneakers in the culture right now, the Human Race NMDs. I know Yeezy jumped over Jumpman, but did Pharrell jump over Yeezy? I mean, it's debatable, but I think so, at least right now. Now before I even talk about the sneaker, I thought I'd just drop some knowledge on what exactly is Holi. First of all, it's Holi, not Holly, like I've heard some sneaker YouTubers say it. And basically, Holi is the festival of color. It's one of the biggest festivals of the year in India. People basically spend an entire day throwing color at each other, shooting water guns at each other that are filled with colorful ink. It's basically one big colorful party, and you can definitely see the inspiration of this in the tie-dye looking Pharrell sneakers that are set to drop later this month. And by the way, those are the ones I actually really want from this pack, so I'm definitely going to be going for those. So let's talk about this shoe. First of all, the colorway. So we got this all over cream colorway that covers the entire prime knit, and I think this is the cleanest edition yet of the Pharrell Human Race NMDs that have dropped, and definitely a very nice summer shoe. So on the front of the shoe, we have these letters that are embroidered into the stitching. On the right shoe, we have the word world written on it, and on the left, now I can actually read Hindi, so on the left we have the word Samantha, which is it doesn't mean Samantha, it's actually the Hindi word for equality. So you can actually see the English word equality written on some of the other sneakers in this collection. And on this one, we have the Hindi word for equality, Samantha. So the laces that come with the shoe are white with hits of gray all over it. And we also have an additional pair of laces that are actually in the cream colorway that matches the prime knit. And it also has these hits of gray that cover it. On the inside, we got your standard Pharrell insole. So basically this insole has something to do with reflexology, and you can see the same one on all the Pharrell Human Race NMDs. Something that's different about the Pharrell NMDs as opposed to other NMDs are the actual blocks here are plastic compared to some of the other NMDs that actually have more of a foam block. So this one's probably a little bit more durable. You'll see less scratching on it, which is good. On the back of the shoe, we have this Adidas branding on the right shoe, and on the left shoe, we have your standard Pharrell logo, the equal sign. So on the bottom of the shoe, we have this trail outsole. Now, as you know, this shoe is actually meant for hiking. I personally don't know any hypebeasts who go hiking, but anyways, they felt like they needed to make this shoe stand out a bit, I guess, so they added this trail outsole. I personally like it a lot because it feels really durable. It makes the shoe a little heavier, and I just think that this will make the shoe last a lot longer. And I also think it looks really cool. Like, it kind of looks like teeth marks on the bottom of the shoe. I'm a big fan of that. So I was actually able to cop these shoes manually on the Adidas website. It was a bit of a weird drop. It was supposed to drop at 10 a.m. in the morning, then it got delayed to 10:15, then 10:25, and then finally at 10:45 I was able to just manually cop this from the website. I think Adidas was trying to basically filter out the bots, and if that were true, I definitely thank Adidas for that, because I don't have a bot, and I was really happy that I was able to add this to cart and check out. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to cop my size, so there's not going to be an on feet on this video, so I'm definitely going to be looking for a size swap. Overall, I absolutely love this shoe. I think the colorway looks dope. I especially love the Hindi letters. So as I mentioned earlier, there's not going to be an on feet, so I'm going to leave you guys with more close-up shots of the shoe. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace!
Big shot. Hold up, wait. Peanut butter insides. No. Outside. Cocaine white body look like Gentiles. Emotional. Why you emotional? Bitch, you emotional, yeah. Big shot.